Joe, the Maori e wanu, whānau, hānau, however you want to say it from whichever region you're from. So today's kupu, or today's place name, is Porirua. That's Porirua. Alright, so we're going to carry on with the rolling of the R, which I taught you how to say yesterday. But I pronounce, because you already say a word that helps you pronounce it, which is called tara. Alright, so if you remember that, tara. Okay, so it's a pretty simple word to say, or even the place name. Okay, so repeat after me. Po, ri, ru, a. Po, ri, ru, a. Pretty easy, eh? Po, ri, ru, a. Porirua. 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 Just remember, tara. That's how you roll your R. Tara. 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 Wowee. Yep. That was it. Porirua. Okay. So I'm not on my equal yet. Getting there. Okay. So that's it for today. Porirua. Easy.